A buffalo is not afraid of the storm. A buffalo runs into the storm and rather than running away from the storm. And so that's something that I'm learning to do, is to just continue to push forward even when things get hard, even when I feel like I'm losing confidence in my abilities. I look at this buffalo and I'm like, I can do it. I'm gonna do it scared. I decided to get into this business. I was a stay-at-home mom. I was homeschooling my kids, and we decided to put them in school. I didn't want to go back into the social work field, and a friend of mine suggested that I clean houses because she said my house was always clean. I started cleaning, and the business began to grow by referral. So what excites me about being in the residential cleaning industry isn't necessarily the cleaning itself, but being able to take care of people, to come alongside them, to take care of their families, and to just be able to have them have time to spend with their loved ones, to help add value, just to be of service. As an entrepreneur, it's not to be afraid to ask for help, not to be afraid to say, you know what, I'm not good right now. I have business coaches, I have mentors, I have people who I can call on those days when I just need to scream and cry. I can do that because I have people who are in my corner. I have referred quite a few people to take SpringGR. SpringGR, the investment was one of the best things I could have ever done. I didn't have a lot of business knowledge, and I was able to get some foundational things to be able to be a part of a group and a network of people who have helped me along the way. And then I was also able to participate in the 250 Project, which was an amazing program as well. Just being around the table with other business-minded people and people who got me in the way that I think and who didn't think I was crazy was amazing. Just being able to meet with them on a regular basis, to bounce ideas off of each other. I learned a lot about finances, which was something I was not really confident in, and I left that program feeling more confident and being able to know the right terminology when I needed to speak with people about finances.